How to put parental controls on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put parental controls on YouTube. First, go to your YouTube account. Here, go to your profile on your top right. Then, go to Settings. Now, go to General Settings. Here, turn on the restricted mode. Once you're done, open the YouTube Kids app. Now select I am a parent. Tap on the arrow to continue. Now add your age. Tap on Confirm. Then go to Show Next. Tap on the arrow to see Next. Now skip this step and move Next. Now choose a content experience for your child. Tap on Select. Now select Done. Then tap on I agree. Here, your parental controls have been set for your child account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.